Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. This one is a cooking video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make s'mores cookies. First thing I'm going to do is sift 2.5 cups of flour. Now I'm putting in a teaspoon of baking powder. In a small bowl, I'm going to beat softened butter. I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. Your butter should be soft, so it should mix pretty easily. I'm gonna add in a packet of instant vanilla pudding mix. To not get powder all over my face, I'm gonna mix it with a spatula first, and then I'll go back in with the hand mixer. It's buttery. Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs. I'm gonna blend these in as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Same thing, I'm going to mix first with spatula and then with the hand mixer. Since I'm running out of space, I'm gonna move everything I just mixed together in this clear bowl onto my flour bowl. I'm gonna keep mixing it, but as for now, it's starting to look more like dough. Now that I'm done mixing the dough, I'm gonna add 2 cups of chocolate chips. For this recipe, I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can chill the dough overnight, but just make sure that it's room temperature when you're about to put it in the oven. I'm also going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to take a tablespoon and then scoop about 1.5 tablespoons for each cookie on my parchment paper. Now I'm going to put the cookies in the oven. They're going to be in the oven for 8 minutes, and then I'm going to take them out, put the toppings on them, and pop them back in for 2 minutes. Welcome back. This is a finished product and I'm really happy with how they look. They look really good. I hope y'all try this at home. It's totally safe. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below and I hope y'all enjoy it as much as I did.